He hasn't.
I don't have any.
No.
Okay.
Yeah, climb on him. Oh, yeah. Yep. Ethan's not the only guy who climbs on you.
Oh, he's having